Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to say very briefly, thank you so much for 150 members in the Discord channel. Yes, we just launched the Discord channel less than 24 hours ago. I already have 150 members. I freaking love you guys. That's amazing. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description if anyone wants to join. It's completely free, as well as our free Signals Telegram chat. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description. We have over 400 members in there. Thank you so much for everything, guys. And let's get right into this video. Yo, what's good, PIP N DIP family? Today I have a different video for us, and this video I think is the most important thing for any trader out there who's struggling with psychology or just trading in general, because the way I see it, trading is 90% psychology, 9% technicals, and 1% fundamental. That's my belief on it. So if you have a 90% psychology based work environment, then you need to have your psychology top tier, you know. And so that's why I've gone ahead and I've made this video, and I want to talk to you guys about 10 things, 10 tips to bring yourself from a struggling trader to a profitable trader. All right. Number one is understanding your personality. Everybody in this world has their own personality. You know, it's unique. It's what makes us special. Now, that kind of transitions us right into number two, which is developing a strategy based on your personality. Just like we all have our own personalities in real life, we all have a trading personality. Like, for example, I like to trade very aggressive. I like to take multiple entries a day. I like to have very small stop losses. This is a part of my personality. Some other people like to have bigger stop losses that makes them feel comfortable. They like to swing their trades over a week. This is all stuff that you have to factor in when you're developing your strategy and understanding what type of trader you are. Now, the third thing is you have to develop a set of rules based on the strategy. You know, I'm sure you've always heard, what's your trading plan? What's your trading plan? Oh, I have this trading plan. Now, this is nothing more than just a set of rules that tells you, okay, I'm only going to enter if maybe price is during this time, if price is showing me this type of rejection, if it's showing me this type of order block. You know, you mix and match to find out what works for you, and there is no right answer. You know, there's thousands of trading strategies out there, or millions, whatever, you know, countless numbers out there of trading strategies, and they all work with their own sets of rules. Okay, now right into number four is having the discipline to stay in the market. A lot of traders struggle with their psychology. You know, they struggle to keep their targets, their entries, their stop losses. They'll often remove a stop loss and then let their trade run all the way and blow their accounts, or they'll pull their trade out early before their profit target has been hit, and now they just missed out on all this money. Things like this that they end up regretting later. You know, you have to understand, okay, if I set this target, I'm staying there. Okay. Number five, time management. Now, we're all humans. We can't be on this chart 24/7. It's just not going to happen. So find a session or a set of hours that works for you and allow yourself to only trade during those times. Backtest and find a strategy that works to find entries during those times and only trade during those times, because you don't want to burn yourself out. Number six is a super important one, and is journaling your trades. Journaling your trades is a great way to see exactly why you hit stop loss, why you hit take profit, why maybe your trade went in profit and then reversed, or maybe your trade went into deep drawdown and then reversed. All these factors, you know, and not only do you want to study your losses, but you want to study your winners. You want to write down what confirmations you used to enter. You want to write down why price reached here. You want to write down how long it took. You want to look at all these things and understanding, okay, now maybe when I have these 4 confirmations, I'm having a higher win rate than when I have only 3 confirmations. You know, these are the types of things you want to do when you're journaling your entries. Number 7 is dealing with losses. Losses happen. They can be tough. They test our psychology. You know, it's not the easiest or best thing to handle. But what you have to do is you have to understand, okay, look at your previous results, just like how you've been journaling. Now you understand, okay, this is your win rate and your average risk to reward. So what you have to understand is if you have a profitable strategy, it's not bulletproof, but it's profitable. So you can have a strategy that offers you really high risk to reward with a low win percentage. So when you have something like that, you have to be able to understand, okay, I can lose 1, 2, 3, or 4 trades, but I have to have the mindset that I'm still not going to try to chase a trade. I'm only going to take what's a part of my trading plan, and I'm going to enter it because that one trade I do catch will set me farther ahead. You know, I'll no longer be negative. I'll be far in profit. Number 8, the mindset you need to be successful. Guys, you have to believe that you yourself are successful before it happens. Nobody's gonna believe in you. You know, it's not somebody else's job to believe in you. It's your job. It's your job to prove, hey, I can do this. This is me. You know, you don't need somebody to pat you on the back until you keep going. No, you need to believe in yourself, even when things are hard, that you are that person. You are that person who's going to be successful. You're going to reach the next level. You have to be able to identify yourself as that. When somebody asks you, what do? You want to say confident, I'm a trader. Oh yeah, maybe I'm not profitable now, but I'm still working at it to become a profitable trader. This is the type of mindset you need. You need that killer mentality. Now, number 9, real backtesting. Backtesting is something that a lot of traders do, and all they do is they put the replay mode on, they go back and tap, 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 tap. Oh, okay, there's this. No, sometimes backtesting is as simple as just going back on your chart and looking at what worked out. Okay, yeah, this trade worked out. Let's see, why did it work? Because this factor happened and this variable and this and this and this. So piece these things together. Find the answers first. Develop a strategy based on answers, on the correct answers, and then you can go in replay mode and look for it. Now you're looking for the question and you have the answers. Okay, so this is my strategy. Let's see how often it's going to work. Now find out if it's a profitable trade, if it's a profitable trading strategy. And the last thing, guys, is avoiding greed. Everyone who enters a trade has to have a target. Okay, maybe I'm targeting this liquidity. Maybe I'm targeting this fib level. Maybe I'm targeting whatever it is, psychological levels. You know, whatever it is, you have to understand, this is my target. If it reaches here, I'm taking maybe 50%, and then you have your overall target. If it reaches here, I'm taking my whole trade. Whatever your system is, you have to stay true to it. The second you say, oh, okay, I'm gonna let it run a little more, you'll end up blowing the entire trade. So make sure that you stay true to your own trading strategy, you know, to your own trading targets. Well, guys, I hope you learned something new during this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, we just launched a free Discord channel. My previous webinar is posted in there. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you for 150 members in one day. That's amazing. And also thank you for 400 members in our free Telegram signals chat. Make sure you guys also join that. I'm going to leave the link to both of those in the description. If you guys want to join those, they are completely free. Check it out, guys. Have a great day and keep killing these markets. Peace out.